sorry, I just finished having a coughing fit. I just finished drinking my coffee. We are about to head to go to Walmart, and I wanted to take you along the day with us. We have a couple things that we want to do. Like I said, we're going to get groceries, and then I want to clean out my car because it is in desperate need of a good cleaning, especially in the back where the boys are. So yeah, let's go ahead and get dressed and go.
I'm sorry, but we had something real. A bit of you, a bit of me. And now I'm swimming through a bitter truth. I don't know how to start over with someone else.
I just wanted to put y'all onto something real quick. I just finished changing Ollie, and he had a dirty diaper on, and it looks like he has a little bit of a diaper rash coming up. So we got this to try. It's the Boogie Bottoms No Rub Diaper Rash Spray, and it has 25% zinc oxide. So it's this right here, and here, baby. Yeah, show it to him. Yeah, and I just use it for the first time. And you just spray it on their bottom instead of getting it everywhere, and it was so much easier. So I would definitely recommend you trying that if you have roommates.
Call out to everyone I know. Buy me a drink and help me let go of the suffering. Oh, help me get back again. 'Cause we had love enough, a bit of time, a bit of luck. Now I'm dreaming up peace of mind, getting unstuck. I don't know how to start over with someone else. Thinking of you still making me breathless. We had it good, baby, we had it bad. I let you go, now you're stuck in my head. Like an all out, drawn out goodbye. Like an all out, drawn out
Okay, time for a grocery haul. We got 2 things of Powerade Zero. These are for my mama. She just drinks either coffee or Coca-Cola, so we bought her 2 things of Cokes. This is mainly for Jared. He likes to eat Chef Boyardee for lunch. So he got 2 things of lasagna, 2 things of mini ravioli, and 2 things of SpaghettiOs. Then I got a thing from Manwich one night. We got some tuna. We got some Colby and Monterey Jack cheese. It's like little squares. 2 things of this Chipotle chicken breast. Star Crunches. Some mini sweet biscuits. We got the blueberry and the honey butter. Then we also got some hamburger buns and some honey wheat bread. This is from my mama. We got her some white bread. Oh, I almost forgot. We also got some gourmet burger seasoning, 2 things of the blueberry cheesecake muffin mix, some A1 sauce, and some Dale's seasonings. We got some Anytizer honey barbecue boneless chicken bites, a lot of Lunchables because Parker loves to eat these. Some Dino Nuggets from my mama's house for Parker. Some waffle cut fries. Some more. Wait, no, sorry. These are for the house. These are honey battered chicken tenders. Dino Nuggets from mama's house. We got some chocolate almond milk from mama's house. Ziploc bags. We got some peppermint mocha creamer, and then my favorite creamer at the moment. It's Starbucks Caramel Macchiato Creamer. We got some Cokes, Dr. Pepper Zero, Dr. Pepper Zero Sugar Cherry, and right there is Mountain Dew Zeros. Little Bites. Parker loves these. He also loves the Munchkins from Dunkin' Donuts, so we saw these and we wanted to get them. They're the chocolate ones. Then we like to have treats every once in a while, so we got a couple of them. We got the Funfetti Oreo Brownie Mix, just regular Funfetti Brownie Mix. Parker really wanted this one, so we decided to do it. And then just chocolate fudge. We don't do this very often, but I figured every once in a while we can make some brownies and eat on them. Then we got muffin mix that are chocolate chip. These are the protein ones that we really like. And then these oat bite mix. We haven't had these, but we want to try them. Some more Lunchables. Most of these are going to Mama's. We got a small thing of all-purpose flour, string cheese, and then these two things are for Jared. He wanted to try these Wendy's Baconator Pringles, and these Double Crunch Ruffles. And did I mention we also got salmon for salmon patties? But yeah, that's all that we got today.
Okay, so for some reason this didn't record with sound, so I'm just going to do a voiceover now. Basically, he's just going to put the steak into the Ziploc bag with some Dell seasoning, and he's like puts the Ziploc bag airtight, make sure it's really covered, and then we're going to put it into the refrigerator for I think about 3 hours.
Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you make me feel fine. Wanna look at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. And it's like you're untouchable. Like you're untouchable. Don't you know? You know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful. You close, don't wanna take it slow. Ooh, I just want you now.
So this is what he is wanting to play with right now. Just waiting on dinner to get done.
Spotlight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, you make me feel fine. Wanna look at you all night. Wanna put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. And it's like you're untouchable, like you're untouchable. Don't you know? You know you're beautiful, you know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful. Wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night, all night. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful. You're beautiful.
Alright guys, so for some reason the sound on the ending of my video did not pick up, so I'm just going to do another voiceover and say that this is the end of the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you loved seeing our day-to-day life. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and like this video and subscribe to my channel. I make new videos every Monday and Friday, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye y'all.